Kids, hand-waving welcome to Jiggle Jilli. Are you ready to learn your letters and sounds?
A is for apple, A is for bat, B is for ball, B is for bat, C is for cat, C is for car, D is for dog, D is for drum-ba-dum. E is for elephant, E is for egg, F is for fan, F is for frog, G is for great, G is for grape, H is for hat, H is for hop, hop, hop. I is for igloo, I is for ink, J is for jelly, J is for jump, K is for kite, K is for key, L is for lamp, L is for leaf, green and free. M is for moon, M is for mug, N is for nose, N is for net, O is for octopus, O is for owl, P is for pencil, P is for pig, oink oink, wow! Q is for queen, Q is for quilt, R is for rain, R is for rat, S is for sun, S is for sock, T is for turtle, T is for top, spin, spin, stop! U is for umbrella, U is for urn, V is for Valen, V is for van, W is for whale, W is for wig, X is for x-ray, X is for box, X, X, X. Y is for yo-yo, Y is for yarn, Z is for zebra, Z is for zip. Let's say the sounds, let's sing them clear. We love our letters all through the year. A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. Learning words is fun for me. Letters talk and letters sing. Phonics makes my brain go zing.
Don't forget to subscribe for more fun with Jiggle Jilli.